Linux Mint versus Ubuntu versus Debian. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down the differences between the Linux Mint, Ubuntu, and the Debian edition, so you can pick the right distro based on what you actually use your computer for. Let's start with Ubuntu. It's one of the most popular Linux distros for a reason. Great for beginners and advanced users alike. It comes with modern software, solid hardware support, and is updated every 6 months. Perfect if you want something that just works out of the box, especially for laptops or new users. Now let's talk about Linux Mint. Mint is built on top of Ubuntu, or Debian, but it feels more like Windows, which is perfect if you're switching from Windows and want something familiar. It's smooth, stable, and doesn't force you into flashy design changes. Great for desktop users who want simplicity and comfort. Finally, there's Debian. Debian is rock solid, super stable, and loved by pros who don't want surprises. But it's slower to update and not always the smoothest for new users. If you're building a server or want a system that runs like clockwork, Debian is a go-to. So which one is better? If you're new and want something polished, go with Ubuntu or Linux Mint. If you're building a server or prefer raw stability, Debian wins. And if you're looking for comfort and familiarity, Linux Mint might feel like home. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.